It's a perfect fall afternoon on November 1st, 2021, and we are on the Amtrak Michigan Line watching Amtrak train 353 race west. .353 is racing west through the Huron River Valley. After 353, we will have Amtrak 972, a loaded ballast train. .972 would be splitting the time between Amtrak 353 and 350. Here, they're crossing the Huron River at the Superior Dam. Leading the train is a pair of General Electric P32-8 locomotives.
Amtrak 972, clear, 30, eastbound.
Following 972 east would be Amtrak 350, the midday eastbound Wolverine. Thanks for watching. If you like Amtrak Michigan Line action, do not forget to subscribe for future rail fanning videos.